Hey guys, welcome to Bondi Harvest and Delicious collaboration. So for the month of October, Delicious have asked me to share with them 4 of my favorite recipes using in-season ingredients. So this recipe is a beetroot and lemon kombucha lemonade. Kombucha is a fermented tea. It's full of good bacteria. It's really good for your gut health. It's really good for digestion. It's really simple to make. We have a recipe on our website, bondiharvest.com, so check that out. So the steps are really quite easy. What you need to do is infuse your kombucha with some beetroot, some ginger, and some lemon. So you're gonna leave that out for about 3 days to infuse. You then strain that, add a little bit of honey and a whole bunch of lemon juice, and that's your lemonade. We're then going to elevate this lemonade by adding some fresh strawberries in there, and we're going to rim the glass with a thyme and lemon sort of beautiful raw sugar rimming. So this dish is, well, it's not a dish, it's a drink. This drink is going to, serve you so well for the month of October and all the way into summer. Our first step is to clean and peel our beetroot. There you have it, delicious beetroot kombucha lemonade. You're going to be enjoying this all spring long. Make sure you check out all our other videos on Bondi Harvest and Delicious. Cheers, happy cooking.